do the iPod effect slightly differently. So I've got this image, and it's with the green behind it. I'm going to make sure my layers panel over. So I've got the layer there, and then I'm going to add another layer to put underneath it. Okay. Now I want that layer to have a color to it, so I'm just going to, with that layer selected, I'm going to go to Edit, Fill, and then from here I have color chosen. And when I have that, I can choose different colors. I'm going with this purple. Okay. All right. And I can't see the purple yet because the green is covering it. So I'm going to click on the green. I'm in the layer of the girl. I'm going to choose this select subject here, and it selects her all. And then I'm going to select inverse. And when I do that, that's selected the background and delete. There it is. Command D to get rid of the selections. So I've got everything set. The next thing I want to do is I want to make her black and white. So I'm going to go to Image, I'm going to go to Adjustments, I'm going to go to Hue and Saturation, and I could take this all the way down to lightness and make it black right away. Or I could do something like this. I could bring saturation down, and then I could bring lightness down, and then I see a little bit of her. It's up to you how you want to do this. Okay, so anyway, it's done. Then I need to combine these layers together, so I go Layer, and I do Flatten. Okay, now it's one layer. Need to unlock it. Okay, so now what I need to do is I want to put multiple images on one background. So I got to make a new background, and I'm going to choose, make sure it's set to inches, and I'm just going to choose like a 20 by 20. And since my resolution of my picture was 72, I'm going to make the resolution of the background the same. Okay, and there I have it. I have a background. Do Command minus so I can see the whole thing. Then go back here, and I'm going to select the whole thing. I'm going to do a Command A, Command C, and then I'm going to Command V to paste it. Okay, and it won't paste, so I forgot to unlock it. So I'll try it again, Command V, and there it is. So now I can just move her up to there. Now, if you decide to only do 2 pictures, what you could do is you could do another one and put it down here. If you decide you want to do 4, you probably need to delete part of it to make a square. So I'm going to start, put it over here, okay? But it's going to have too much over there. I could always put the other one on top of it, but if I want to get rid of this extra, I can grab this tool and select and delete that, and I got a square, okay? And then I can just do this, and I can add more to it. So the one thing I didn't do is I didn't put the headphones on there. I kind of skipped that step, so you're going to have to do that when you go back. But otherwise, this is how you do it. When you're all done with it, you'll flatten it. And obviously, I don't have all the images in there yet, but you'll flatten it. When it's done, you'll save it, and you'll save it as a JPEG. So on my computer, and here it says Photoshop, but we don't want that. We want a JPEG or a PNG, either one. Give it a name. So take it to JPEG. I can call this iPod commercial, whatever, and that is it.